Hi, my name's Kirk Holding. I'm with the Living in Spokane, North Idaho team, and today we're featuring one of our new listings on the South Hills. And one thing I love about the house here is where I'm sitting here, just kind of chilling on the swing. But we've got some awesome views here to downtown Spokane. Literally only about 5-minute drive to the freeway there, and then all the shopping, and then maybe another 5 minutes to downtown Spokane. So very proximate to everything. The other neat thing about it that I love about this house is it's got a brick exterior, which is a little bit harder to find, so low maintenance on that and really pops with the curb appeal. And then secondly, something unique about this house is it has a full mother-in-law suite in the basement. So total, we got 4 bedrooms, 3 baths, coming in just under 2,700 square feet. But again, it's got that separate entrance sales stairs with the mother-in-law suite, full kitchen, full bath, laundry. So great for maybe a VRBO or mother-in-law type setup. We're going to go ahead and give you the tour of the house right now.